keyboard replacement, and deep cleaning on Lenovo V14 IWL-81YB laptop. Thank you, ma'am Febby, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is a wise choice that ensures both functionality and longevity. Over time, laptop keyboards can become unresponsive, develop stuck or non-working keys, or suffer from physical damage due to wear and tear, liquid spills, or accumulated dust and debris. A professional keyboard replacement ensures that the new keyboard is fully compatible with your laptop, properly installed and functions just like the original, restoring smooth and accurate typing performance. In addition to replacing the keyboard, deep cleaning is an essential maintenance step that helps improve the overall health and efficiency of your laptop. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate inside the device, particularly around cooling fans, vents, and heat sinks, leading to overheating, reduced airflow, and decreased system performance if left unchecked. Overheating can cause thermal throttling, system crashes, or even long-term hardware damage. A professional deep cleaning involves carefully disassembling the laptop, removing dust buildup, and ensuring proper airflow, which helps maintain stable performance and extend the device's lifespan. Opting for professional service guarantees that the keyboard replacement. The deep cleaning are done with precision and care, using the right tools and techniques to avoid potential damage. Technicians ensure that all internal components remain intact and that the laptop is reassembled correctly for optimal performance. This proactive approach not only restores the laptop's usability, but also prevents future issues, making it a valuable and cost-effective investment in maintaining a reliable and efficient device. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your keyboard replacement and deep cleaning too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.